What's up guys, it's LeetCoder. This is LeetCode 226 invert binary tree. We're given a binary tree like this one and we have to invert each of its elements. So for example, this 4 has a 2 as a left child, that's going to become the right child. And this 7 here, which is a right child, is going to become the left child. And we do that for all of the elements. So if we look at the 7 here, this 9 becomes the left child and this 6 becomes the right child. Same thing for the 2. This works really well with recursion. The first thing we want to do is say if the root is not defined, this is our base case, and we just return none. Then we want to invert the left side of the tree. So we say left inverted equals self invert tree root left. And now we do the same exact thing, but with the right side of the tree. Okay, now all we do is we set the left of the root to be equal to the right inverted, and we make the right equal the left inverted. And we just return root at the end. And that's all there is to it. In terms of time complexity, it's going to be O of n because we have to go through each node. And in terms of space complexity, it's O of n as well because we have to call this invert tree function n times, and that's essentially adding it to our stack. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and a subscribe because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And let me know down in the comments if there's any other problem you'd like to see next. See you next time.